Hallo, ich bin Qasem und das ist Ulfberht. Ulfberht is the most affordable and reliable liquid cooling PC case, which costs only $50 and can save you up to $100 of electricity while increasing the performance of your PC by 150%. Ulfberht has the toughest radiator in the market. If it leaks, just let it dry off. Liquid cooling PCs are taking advantage of overclocking in order to increase the performance of PC while having low operating temperature ensures stability and accurate data. While the main drawback of liquid cooling PC casing is that it is expensive and inefficient. So we have done numerous prototypes from the heat exchangers, the radiators, the chassis, and all to understand how we can reduce the cost and giving you reliable performance. Fans are the source of descending performance of PCs over time. They suck the dust particles inside because of the vacuum they generate, and because of the differential pressure and the turbulence they generate inside the casing, they accumulate the dust inside. Therefore, over time, we are seeing that our cases are having lower and lower performance. Because Ulfberht is using the largest radiator in the market, therefore we are not required to have any fan. The second most important thing about Ulfberht is that normal liquid cooling PCs comes with a pump in order to circulate the liquid. But we are using a low boiling and safe liquid which boils and circulates itself inside the cycle without the need of a pump. This led to most affordable liquid cooling PC in the market, which would have lasting performance. Having no fan and pump is also the reason that our PC casing is the smallest in the market and can house up to 95% of what market is providing.